friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. I'm back in the kitchen and today I'm going to make an easy meatloaf. I'm doing these recipes, my main reason why I'm doing these recipes are for my grandchildren, so that someday when they're bigger, which won't be in the near distant future, they can look back and see how Grandma does make some of the things that are kind of simple and easy for them to make. So I have a pound of hamburger, and to that I am adding 1 cup of breadcrumbs with a half a cup of milk, I'm adding 1 beaten egg, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some parsley flakes, one teaspoon of that, and I'm going to add onion soup mix to my recipe. And then we'll mix it all up with our pound of hamburger meat. And I have my oven on, ready to go at 350. And I'm using a silicone pan. That's what I like to use. So we'll put that all in here. And then to this, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with a 1/4 cup of ketchup. I'm going to stir that together. And I'm just going to put that on top. And that will be our glaze. We'll spread that on over the top. And I'm going to put that in the oven, and it's going to cook for about 50 minutes or close to an hour. So I'll show you the finished product when it comes out of the oven. So there we have it, our meatloaf, and it's all ready for our supper. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe, and be kind. So until next time, bye now.